flow rate is holding steady at 98%.
Good. Let's initiate the transfer to tank 3.
The pressure levels are stabilizing right on schedule.
Good, we can begin the extraction sequence now.
The filtered milk rests in temperature-controlled tanks, awaiting the next transformation as it moves through the pipeline outlet.
The viscosity seems consistent with the last run.
Yes, the flow rate is stable according to the panel.
Advanced filters refine active compounds. Pipelines glow under controlled lighting, guiding materials toward mixing stage. As the agitator slows, the cream approaches homogenization, where high pressure breaks down the fat globules for a smoother consistency.